Okay, so I'll consider it as there is no background noise from my side and it's clearly audible. So in today's session, you are supposed to implement two simple experiments using Python, and experiments are very simple. So experiment number one for today's session is you are supposed to write a Python code to demonstrate or to implement object-oriented concepts. So write a Python code to implement following object-oriented concepts. So the concepts that you are going to implement is a class, inheritance, polymorphism, and method overriding. So you are not supposed to write different programs. Okay. Where is it? Suddenly that screen sharing stopped. I don't know the exact reason why. So class, you are supposed to write one program to implement all these concepts. For example, if you go for inheritance, class concept is covered. If you will go for class and inheritance, you can easily implement method overriding, and polymorphism is not a big problem. So you are supposed to write one code which can demonstrate all the concepts, or if you want, you can write two codes, one code to demonstrate class, inheritance, and method overriding concept, and another code to implement polymorphism concept. But if you can implement everything, if you can demonstrate all the concepts in one code, it's okay. We have already seen practical examples, hands-on examples on these concepts during our theory session. Sorry, you must have learned this during your theory sessions, and you can take help from those concepts. It's not difficult, and the deadline for or the due date for this experiment is this Friday 17th. And along with this, you are supposed to implement one simple experiment. It is just a kind of a revision for your Python skills. That's why I kept it at the end. It is like it's a write Python code to demonstrate different data types. So here there are different data types available in Python, like int is there, float is there, character is there, string is there, list is there, tuple is there, set is there, and so dictionary is there. So you are supposed to write small codes in one program only, which will demonstrate these different data types. For example, you can write a code, simple four-line code to initialize the list, append the element in the list, remove the element from the list, and display the list. It's a 4 or 5 lines of code, kind of things. You are supposed to write small code. So this experiment intentionally I kept at the end so that it can revise some basics of Python. And again, deadline for this experiment is the 17th of this weekend, that is Friday. It will hardly take, let's say, 1 hour 50 minutes or 1 hour 30 minutes to complete both the experiments. Uh, Here, problem statement for a class, inheritance, or data types is open to you. You can select any class. Let's say take a person class and inherit student class from it, or take a person class and inherit employee class from it, or take a vehicle as a base class and inherit car class. Sorry, take a vehicle as a base class and inherit car class from it or whatsoever you want. Uh, which class should be implemented, which method should be written in that class, what should be the derived class, what should be the methods and arguments or parameters in a derived class. It's completely up to your imagination and it's your freedom. Any doubt or any query class? And same thing is for the second experiment, that is demonstrate the Python data types. It's up to you. And for Python data types also, you are supposed to submit one code only in one file. You are not supposed to submit different codes for different data types. Simple one code in one file for all the data types. Okay, I'll stop the recording in that case.